Hey friends, this is Leo. Today, he decided to learn about musical instruments. Let's play together with Leo. It's going to be fun. First, we need to sort these balls with this spoon. Ready?
Yes!
This ball is yellow. Where shall we put it? Right, into the yellow cup. This ball is blue. Help me find the right cup. Yes, the blue one. A green ball. Here it goes, into the green cup. The next ball is red. We found the right cup. It's red. This ball is orange. Where does it belong? The orange cup is the one we need. And the last one, the brown ball. Here it goes. Wow, what is she playing? Ah, it's a cello. Help me find the right spot. Here it is. The cello is a big string instrument. You use a bow and your fingers to play it. The cello is part of an orchestra. Let's make the name of this instrument out of these letters. This letter is H. Let's start with it. What's the next letter? I think it should be the letter O. Which one's next? The letter R. And the last letter is N. We did it! This is our reward. This girl is playing the horn. Let's find the best place for you. Right here. The horn has a long, curly tube. You play it by blowing air into it. Time to sort these balls by color. Which one goes here? Right, the green one. We'll put it in its place. Time to fill this bowl. It's pink, so we need this pink ball. Great job! Next, what color shall we pick here? Yes, orange. And just one bowl is left. We'll put this yellow ball in here. Woohoo! Another musician. She's playing African drums. African drums can talk by making different sounds. People use drums for music, dancing, and celebrations. Wow, this game is fun. Let's find the right shape. Aha, here it is. It's a circle and it has one hole. Let's find other circles. Perfect. Help me spot more. Here it is. And one more. Well done. The next shape should have two holes. Here it is. It's a rectangle. And look, two holes. It fits. Let's find more. Another rectangle. Here's one more. And the last one. The next shape has three holes. What can it be? I see it. It's a triangle. Here it goes. Let's find other triangles. Bingo! This shape is a triangle too. And the last one. Now we need a shape with four holes. Here it is, a square with four holes. This shape is a square too. It's square like a window, haha! And the last square. Look, guys, this is a conductor. The conductor doesn't play a musical instrument. But the conductor is very important. They lead the orchestra or band, using a stick called a baton to show the beat. This is number 9, so we need 9 balls to fill the gaps. Let's start with this row. This turquoise ball is so pretty. We need 2 more. What's this color? Right, it's green. Green is the color of grass and leaves. How about this color? Yes, it's blue. Blue like the sky. Yay, we did it! This boy is playing the drums. See, he has drumsticks, and he uses them to hit the drums. Let's get you in your place. Different drums make high and low sounds. The main drum you hit with your foot is called the bass drum. Wow! Look at this guitar, friends! Do you know how to play the guitar? Let's see. These are called tuning pegs, and these are strings. You pluck or strum them to make music. Now, let's play the guitar. Maybe it'll help us get the next musical instrument. Hooray! We got a musician! He plays the guitar. Its place is right here. Most guitars have 6 strings, but some have more or fewer. You play different notes by pressing strings on the neck. What number is it, friends? It's right here. 1. Next, where's this number? Here it is. This is 2. How about this number? Right. It's 3. Help me find the next number. Here it is. It's 4. Oh, bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number's next? Right you are. It's 5. Another musician. She plays the flute. Her place is right here. To play the flute, you blow air to make music. Most flutes are metal, but some are wood or plastic. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and... Yes! It's 6. And this number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and... Gotcha. 7 is the number we need. How many watermelons are here? 6? 7? No, that's wrong. There are 8 watermelons here. That's a lot of lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What's next? Right, we need 9. And the last number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's left? 10. This is our reward. A girl playing the tambourine. Here she goes. The tambourine is a round frame with little jingling bells. You can shake it, tap it, or hit it with your hand to make music. We need to find their babies. This is A baby elephant. Here's its parent. And what's this? Ah, a baby bear. Where's its parent? Right here. Next, it's a baby frog. Your mom missed you. Whoa, what is this boy doing? He's a singer. You sing beautifully. A singer uses their voice to make music. Singers practice a lot so that their voices become strong. What baby is this? It's a duckling. Here's its parent. The next animal is a little hippo. This is your mom. And the last baby. It's a baby lion. Its dad is right here. Yay! We got a girl playing the piano! She looks happy! All the musicians are back. Leo thanks you for your help and says, bye!